So good morning guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah Macharia. I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya, Nairobi to be specific. This is yet another day, another vlog guys. So I just woke up guys, and I have done my dishes as you can see, and now I'm just preparing some porridge here. Yes guys, so that we can have to drink it with my baby. Yes, over there guys, she's watching her cartoon. Yes guys, and this is a herbal abode. Yes guys, so welcome here to another video, another vlog. I'm so delighted guys for you guys because you always come back to watch my videos, and I am so grateful for that guys. So today is not a dull day as always. So as you can see guys, the weather is fine today. You see, the weather is okay today guys. So the sun is out. As you can see, it's not dull today. So welcome guys to yet another video, another vlog. Keep subscribing and watching my videos from the start to the end. Yes guys, so what I'm doing right about now is just cooking the porridge, and and we have to take our breakfast. Today we are taking porridge. Today we are taking porridge guys. So yes, thank you guys, and keep watching. I'm cooling it down guys. So hello guys, and welcome back. I forgot to vlog guys when I was going to the market guys, but again I'm here. I went to get these cabbages. We want to cook some curry and this some piece of meat. Yes guys, so the day continues guys. So let me just look for something to cut that. I want to put the meat here. So guys, I want to wash the meat first because I prefer washing the meat before I cook it. Yes, I think I just should wash it a little bit. So guys, yes, that is the meat now. I have washed it, and now I just want to put some salt. In it so that it boils. Leta makasi. guys, up next I want to cook the cabbage now. Yes. Kuja. Kuja. Leta hapa kwa maji.
So expensive, but it's okay. I have money.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This vlog continuing from yesterday. I didn't manage to complete that vlog because I didn't have any other activities in the evening to do, so I didn't complete. So this is another day guys, another vlog, or the continuation of that vlog. So today is not a very sunny day, as you can see guys. It's very dull, but not that dull. The sun seems to be coming out later, maybe, I don't know, but yesterday was sunny than today. So yes guys, welcome back to my video guys. Has been eating the bread, as you can see guys, and me here waiting. I'm cooking tea guys. Tea. I bought some tea leaves, as you can see. I want to put a little tea leaves. So the tea is about to be ready guys. I don't know if I should end this vlog here or I should continue until the evening, but we will see that, guys. I will see about that. I'll just let it boil a little bit. I'll just wait it boils a little bit, then I will just put it in the jug, guys. Just added some sugar, guys. Guys, I already did some cleaning. As you can see, there are no lying utensils on that table. So I did my utensils in the morning, guys, and I also swept the house. As you can see, it's all clean, and I spread my bed. Yes, guys, I like cooking when it is super clean. I don't cook in places or spaces which are dirty and messed out. Guys, so I like cleaning before I cook. I think it's boiling a little bit. I think it's ready now. So yes, guys, we have finished taking our tea, and that's it, guys. So see you later on.